Good day, Nico Basson here. This is just an informal video to show you how to make use of ChatGPT and build content with HTML. What you need to have is basically your module, and if you look at this, you will see that it is quite beautifully built with lots of pictures and videos that are embedded and tables and all of that. So I'm going to use ChatGPT to help me to build this. So I'm going to build one chapter in chapter 6 here. So what you need to have is you need to have your content here. And when you want to embed videos, it's important that you must have the URL link here. I have this in here, and then you are going to copy this and paste it into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to embed these videos according to a script that you have already gave ChatGPT for the font and the pictures. That I will give to you. So basically, here is my HTML video embed script. Actually, I worked with it, but there it is with the sizes. So all that you need to do is you just copy this, or actually copy code, which I will send to you, and then Chat will know the sizes and all of that. But this is basically the width and the height. So you first of all just copy this and say I want to build in D2L according to these fonts and sizes, and then it will do it. So first of all, before I go to HTML, I'm just going to create a new page. How do I do that? I go to create a new page, and if you go to page, you can select HTML templates. I'm just going to select a blank template. I'm going to my topic here, which I'm just going to copy. Control Z is just go back. I'm just going to copy this, Control C, and I'm going to copy it over there, Control V, as well as the title page, Control V. So there it is. Now I want to put the HTML in there, and I will show you how to do that. So first of all, let's copy everything that we want Chat to build for us into ChatGPT. So there's my next topic. So I just want to build it up to here. So I copy this. I go to HTML. I'm just going to D2L. I'm just telling D2L build this in HTML for D2L and embed all the videos. And then I say Control V. There's everything. I let it run, and now it will start to build the HTML code, which I will just copy over there. So once it's finished, as you can see, it's busy building. Once it is finished, I'm just going to copy this whole code. There it is. And now I'm just going to say copy code. I'm going to my D2L page, and I'm going to stand there, because there where it flickers, I will see it in HTML. So I'm just going to maximize this, because I like to work in this big canvas. This is the HTML sign over there. I go there, and there you can see it's flickering. I just want to delete that, insert your content there, because that is directed to me. I'm just going to say delete, and then I'm going to say Control V to paste it over there. I save it, and there it is, built with nice fonts, and you're done. Now if you want to edit this further, you can do that as well. So if I go to my font, to my script, I will see that there's a couple of pictures that I want. So here I want a picture. This one for data, so I'm just going to say Control C, and I'm going to data normalization here. So it's over here, so I'm just going to say Control V, and there's my picture. So now I want to make do some editing. How do I do that? I want to put in some page breaks and make all the headings maybe a bit bigger. How do I do that? I go in there, I say enter, enter. I go in there and I say a divider. There's a nice divider. I delete to make the font better. Then I will go here and I will say heading 2. And I will go in here and put in another divider, and the same with the heading over here. Put the heading 2, and I will carry on like this. And there you are, it looks much better. Now I am going to minimize and save and close and see how the students will see it. And here I have built this whole lesson using HTML. I trust that this video has worked, so subscribe and be blessed.